Hello and welcome everyone. Bonjour et bienvenue tout le monde. Today we are going to see the sound of AI in French. So when we join the vowel A and I, let's see the first sound that it gives is A. So when you join this AI with a consonant which is not pronounced, it gives a sound of A. A. For example, anglais. Anglais, which means English. Frais. Frais, which means fresh or cool. Français. Français, which means French. Palais. Palais, which means palace. Lait. Lait, which means milk. Vrai. Vrai, which means true. Essai. Essai, which means trial. There is the same sound when we have verbs which begin with AI. That means it would be like A. For example, aider. Aider, which means to help. Another one is aimer. Aimer, which means to like. Let's see a different sound of AI combination when it is joined with a consonant which is pronounced. So AI plus a pronounced consonant would give a sound of air. Air. Just like the English words bed, set. So let's say them. Anglaise. Anglaise, which means English but in the feminine form. Fraise. Fraise, which means strawberry. Française. Française, which means French in the feminine form. Anniversaire. Anniversaire, which means birthday or anniversary. Semaine. Semaine, which means week. Connaissance. Connaissance, which means knowledge. Nécessaire. Nécessaire, which means necessary. Few more examples. Caisse. Caisse, which means box, a till or a counter. Chaise. Chaise, which means a chair. Éclair. Éclair, which means lightning. Aide. Aide, which means a help or an aid. Aigle. Aigle, which means eagle. Another one. Air. Air, which means air. There is another combination with AI when it is followed by a double L. So the combination becomes AILL, which gives the sound of I. I. Let's see a few examples. Ailleurs. Ailleurs, which means elsewhere or somewhere else. Paille. Paille, which means straw. Taille. Taille, which means size. Tailleur. Tailleur, which means tailor. Travailleur. Travailleur, which means worker. The last combination of AI is when you have an accent tremor on I. So with the accent tremor on I, it gives a sound like air in bed, set, pet. So if you see the word, it's maître, maître, which means a master. Chaîne, chaîne, which means a channel. There is one combination which is an exception to all of these, where AI gives the sound of It is specifically with the verb faire, which means to do. So when we say it in the present tense with nous form, it is nous faisons. So we do not say nous faisons, it's not a or a, it becomes a. Nous faisons. Nous faisons, which means we do. Similarly, when we use it in the imparfait form, it becomes je faisais. Je faisais, which means I used to do. Tu faisais. Tu faisais, which means you used to do. Il faisait. Il faisait, he used to do. So this is one of the exceptions of the AI sound. That means, to resume the whole, AI has two major sounds, A and A. A is given out when you join it with a consonant which is not pronounced. It is A. Whereas A is when there is a consonant which is pronounced. And also when you have accent tremor on I, it gives a A sound. And the last one is when you have the combination of A-I-L-L, it is I. Thank you everyone for your kind attention. Merci beaucoup pour votre attention. You can always like, subscribe, comment and share our videos. Hope you had fun learning with En route to French. Do send in your queries for French classes to us. You are most welcome to get social with us on Instagram, YouTube and Facebook. Links for the same are on your screen. We'll keep posting such videos. So, have fun, keep watching and happy learning. Thank you. Merci.